Hey there, investors. Krishnarath here, bringing you the essentials on financial statements. Today, I'm diving into the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents are your gateway to understanding a company's financial health. Let's break it down. First up, the balance sheet. Think of it as a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It's divided into three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets are what the company owns, like cash, inventory, and property. Liabilities are what the company owes, like loans and accounts payable. Equity represents the owner's stake in the company. The fundamental equation here is assets summer liabilities plus equity. This balance gives you a clear view of what the company owns versus what it owes. Next, the income statement. This one's all about performance over a period of time, usually a quarter or a year. It's also known as the profit and loss statement. Here, you'll see revenues, expenses, and profits. Revenues are the money the company makes from its operations. Expenses cover everything the company spends to generate those revenues. When you subtract expenses from revenues, you get the net income or profit. This statement tells you if the company is making money or not. Finally, the cash flow statement. This one tracks the flow of cash in and out of the business. It's divided into three sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Operating activities include cash flows from the core business operations. Investing activities cover the purchase and sale of assets. Financing activities involve borrowing and repaying debts, issuing stocks, and paying dividends. The cash flow statement is crucial because it shows how well the company manages its cash. After all, a profitable company can still go bankrupt if it runs out of cash. So why are these statements important? They provide a comprehensive view of a company's financial health. The balance sheet shows stability, the income statement shows profitability, and the cash flow statement shows liquidity. Together, they help you make informed investment decisions. And that's a wrap on understanding financial statements. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content.